distinguished guest, our chairman, Apex Campus, Mr. Rishad, esteemed faculty, and fellow graduates, and ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a moment of triumph, perseverance, and scholarly achievements. As we stand here on the thresholds of our future, I am honored to address you all. Our journey at Apex Campus, under the auspices of IISc Institute of Technology, Cambodia, has been nothing short of transformative. From the resilient pursuit of knowledge to the countless hours of research, we have emerged as scholars ready to make a difference in the world. I completed the PhD at Apex Campus, which is affiliated to IISc Institute of Technology, and this is my second PhD. The first one I did in 2020 is in Singapore. Actually, why I did my second PhD? Because there was a future research I have mentioned in my first PhD research. So I was searching for a good institute in Sri Lanka. So I got a lot of good recommendation about Apex Campus. So I decided to do my PhD at Apex. Thank you. As we gather here today to celebrate our academic accomplishments, it's crucial to acknowledge the value support we have received from Apex Campus throughout our educational journey. From the outset, Apex Campus has provided us with nurturing environment conducive to learning and growth. Moreover, resources at Apex Campus have been instrumental in facilitating our research pursuits. Apex Campus has consistently equipped us with the tools necessary to push the boundaries of our knowledge respective to our specific field. I need to thank Mr. Rishad, the chairman of Apex Campus, for taking the leading role in this regard. The dedicated faculty members have served as mentors, guiding us through the complexity of research and offering invaluable insight that have shaped our scholarly endeavors. Your dedications to our success extended for beyond the boundaries of duty, as you invested not just a time as expertise, but also your empathy and compassion. You celebrate our victories with genuine joy and stood us by during moments of setbacks, inspiring us to persevere and strive for greatness. Beyond academic support, Apex Campus has fostered a sense of community among its students, fostering meaningful connections and collaboration that have enriched our educational endeavors. The support network we have found here have been invaluable, providing us with encouragement, motivation during the inevitable challenges we faced along the way. In closing, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone at Apex Campus for their commitment to excellence and for being instrumental in our academic achievements. Together, we have embarked on a journey of discovery, and I am confident that the lesson learned and memory shared will resonate with us for years to come. Thank you, Apex Campus, for being our home, away from home, and for shaping us into the scholars we are today. I want to extend my heartfelt appreciation to my wonderful family too. To my parents, your guidance and sacrifices have shaped me into who I am today. And I am forever thankful for your wisdom and encouragement. And to my devoted wife, your endless patience and encouragement have been the bedrock of my success. To my amazing son and daughter, your boundless energy and joy bring light into my life every day. I am profoundly grateful for the love and support you all provide me, and I couldn't imagine this journey without you. Thank you for being pillars of my strength. My fellow graduates, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. May we continue to inspire, innovate, and make a positive impact wherever life may lead us. Thank you very much.